Not many people are born with a perfect smile. Perhaps you have gaps between your teeth, a chipped tooth, a discolored spot on a tooth, or even a broken tooth.
A simple dental procedure called composite bonding can do beautiful things for your smile, but it's also very important to find the right dentist. Dr. Patrick Gochar, an accreditation candidate with the American Academy of Cosmetic Dentistry, has successfully demonstrated a high level of expertise and knowledge in cosmetic dentistry. With a keen eye and skillful hands, Dr. Gochar can design or change your smile to give you the smile that you've always wanted.
Some of the reasons people come to see me for composite bonding are because they have been born with some imperfections in their smile, and this can be seen as gaps or spaces between teeth, and this is usually involving multiple teeth. Other times they can have a small sized tooth. A lot of times this is in the lateral incisor, which is next to the front teeth. Other patients have had damage to their teeth in the form of a broken corner or edge of a front tooth. This is usually from trauma or a habit such as fingernail biting. And other people have worn ragged edges of teeth from grinding. People can have old fillings that need to be replaced that don't look great, or they can have cavities between their teeth.
Dr. Gochar has perfected the art of composite bonding. Let's find out exactly what composite bonding is.
The process of composite bonding works like this. First, we clean the tooth very well. Next, we will, if we're dealing with a chipped or fractured area, we will create a bevel, which is a transition or blend area from the composite filling material to the tooth. After that, we condition the tooth with a 2 to 3 step process, which allows us to create a stable bond between the tooth color filling material and the tooth structure. Once we build that up with various levels of composite, we will finish and polish to recreate the shape that we would desire in our case. Some of the benefits of composite bonding are, first of all, it's very conservative. It's easy to add on to existing tooth and preserve as much of the natural tooth as possible. Composite bonding is very natural looking. The optical properties allow it to blend seamlessly into existing tooth structure. And lastly, it can be easily repaired in the event of any chipping or fracture. When Karen came to see me, she had had prior trauma, leaving large fractures to her front teeth, and she had some worn edges and wasn't happy with the overall color of her teeth. We designed her smile using photographs and study models from which we waxed up or mocked up a blueprint of where we wanted to go. And then using composite bonding, we were able to create a brighter, more youthful appearing smile.
A couple of years ago, I had a fall and chipped my teeth and broke them, and so we decided to do a little bit more extensive work, and while he was fixing the broken teeth, we decided to fix a couple of my other teeth as well. I like them. I think they look whiter, they're longer, they make me look younger, and you put a lot of money into your teeth over the years, so it just made a lot of sense to really get them done right.
With Jean, there was some prior composite bonding that we were concerned with, the shape and the color, especially between the two front teeth. We studied her case using photos and study models, created a wax up of where we wanted to go, and then we were using composite bonding to restore the proper proportion and orientation of the teeth in her smile.
Perfect. He did a great job. Whatever he said that he was going to do, he did, and he's a perfectionist, so I knew it was going to be great. And he's more like an artist, that he takes great pride in what he does, and it came out great.
Elizabeth's concern was the spaces between her front teeth. Because of her age, we thought composite bonding could address her concerns in a very conservative way. After studying and planning her case, we whitened her teeth and used strictly an add-on technique to transform her smile.
At the office of Dr. Patrick Gochar, you'll love the naturally beautiful results that can be obtained using the conservative approach of composite bonding.